welcome to Harkins Technology. Today we're going to do another Capture the Flag challenge from the 2025 Huntress Capture the Flag. We are doing BeyBlade. Sheesh, some threat actors sure did let it rip on this host. We've been able to uncover a file that may help with incident response. The password is BeyBlade. The challenge is a flag separated into different chunks. You must uncover all of the chunks and piece them together with the flag suffix to submit it. Okay, so let's take a look at this. We just transferred this file to my Rumnux machine. So we're going to cd into the directory BeyBlade. Let's extract this file. 7-zip extract. We're going to put it in a BeyBlade folder. The password is BeyBlade. And we're going to pick the zip. Let's go into that new BeyBlade folder. And here we go. We got file BeyBlade. What is this file? Okay, so it's a registry file, it looks like. Let's just try to grep this file. So we're gonna strings on the file, little Indian, and we are gonna grep for. Let's just grep for a flag. See what we find. Strings on the BeyBlade file. And we'll just grep flag. Okay. So we found flag 1 out of 8. Alright, so we're gonna copy this. Let's look at the other flags. So if they're all in this format, we could do another grep with regex. And if it starts with 1 through 8, and if it's in that same kind of format of 8. Okay, so we found flag 5 and again flag 1. Okay. How about we switch this up a little bit more? We can do 1 through 8. Anything is this wild card. And let's give it a hex format. 0 through 9, A through F, and capital A through F. Oh, I forgot to put, oh wait, grep 1 through 8. I'm not sure why that did not work. How about we try this again? We're just gonna pick 8 hyphen, and here we will try the 0 through 9, A through F, capital A through capital F filter. Okay, so it picked a bunch of random stuff out. There goes flag 7 of 8, 1 of 8, 4 of 8, okay, that's all I see in that. So it looks like it's not all like that. So how about we do a more wild filter, a more relaxed filter. Let's try this filter. We are again stringing this file. We're grepping it for anything that starts with 1 to 8. And then there's a wildcard. And I can have any of these symbols, not just the slash or the equal. It can be any of these. And then they'll be looking for this at the end with at least 4 characters at the end. Okay, so let's see, what do we have here? We have 5 of 8, 3 of 8, 4 of 8, 6 of 8, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 of 8, 7 of 8, and 8 of 8. So we got 1, we're missing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we're just missing flag 2 here. So let's write all of these down because we will be using these to construct our flag. With the help of AI, we generated a script and we're going to try to search all of this to find that flag number 2. So let's open this in code, which is VS Code. In here, I'm going to create a shell script with a bunch of different syntaxes to see if we can find that flag. So create a file, grep search, we'll just name it .shell. And here we have a list. So we're going to be trying all these different greps, which is basically like what we did, but now we're looking specifically for 2. Here goes some other ones. We're just doing a bunch of searches, different greps to see if we can find this 2 flag. Let's save it. Let's open our terminal. And I bet you we can't run this. Let's check the permissions. You can see it's not executable. So we're going to chmod to make this file executable, plus X, and then the exact file name. Now, if you look at this, you can see XXX. It's all executable by everyone. So now let's just run this file. Let's see what we find. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Flags 2 and 9. So it looks like we may have to search through this a little bit, or we could concatenate this to another file and then search it. Okay, 1 of 8, 5 of 8. This don't look like anything. It looks like vertex data or vector data. No, it's usually that I doubt. Okay, so we're already at the top, I think. We are just searching for this value 2 of the flag. There are easier ways to do this with find or grepping this file. I'm just freely searching it right now, see if I see it stick out at me. Because I don't know exactly what I'd be searching on. 2 of 8, or they've been kind of random. Hash value 2. I bet you this is it right here. Okay, let's construct this flag. I believe I just constructed the flag. Let's try to submit it and see if this flag works. There we go. Look at that, everybody. We have another flag solved. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll see you all in the next video.